It's not just about talent, it's about staying ahead. In a world transforming by nanoseconds, the real question is, will you adapt, or be left behind? Decades of pollution have pushed our cities to the edge. The era of code to run is over. Welcome to the age of code to think, where you co-create with AI to rewrite the physical world. Welcome to AIROC 2026. This is the massive evolution of a 20-year global legacy, aligning student competencies with industrial automation 4.0. Powered by the Pythaverse digital twin, students bridge the virtual and real worlds. They analyze data, engineer logic, and simulate complex pathfinding before deploying physical hardware into Synapse City. The ultimate test of physical AI. No remote controls, no human intervention. Robots must autonomously perceive their environment, utilizing computer vision to adapt to hidden variables in real time. Mission 1. Containment. Students engineer advanced pathfinding algorithms to identify and isolate toxic zones before the crisis spreads. Mission 2. Neutralization. Using custom-trained machine learning models, robots must autonomously classify pollution types and deploy exact chemical neutralizers to restore the city's grid. Mission 3. Adaptive analysis. The master challenge. When confronted with mystery pollution, students must train their AI to recognize unknown anomalies and extract them to the lab. Stop fearing AI. Start commanding it. Don't just live in the world, redefine it. Claim your title as a chief engineer at AIROC 2026.